Okay, this is question 25 on the higher non-calculator paper. Question 25. The question says, the diagram shows a solid metal cylinder. So here's the cylinder. It's not drawn accurately. The cylinder has a base of radius 2x and a height of 9x. They've actually shown that there. The cylinder is to be melted down and made into a sphere of radius r. Find an expression for r in terms of x. So what they want us to get up to is to find an answer where it says r is equal to something, and then on the right hand side we've got an expression in terms of x. So there's a couple of things we need to know. We're going to need to work out the volume of the cylinder and then use that to help us to work out what the radius of a sphere of the same volume should be. Now, one of the things that is going to be useful is if you look at the formula sheet at the front of the exam paper, you have the volume of a sphere, 4/3 pi r cubed, right? And I'm going to use that a bit later on in this question. So let's think about this. So the volume of the cylinder is pi times the radius of the cylinder squared. So in this case the radius is 2x. I'm going to put that here. R is 2x and the height is 9x. So the radius squared times the height of the cylinder, which is 9x. Now let's work this out. Pi times 4x squared, and that times 9x. If I tidy all of that up, 4 times 9 is 36, and x times x is x squared, x cubed even. X squared times x is x cubed, so 36x cubed, and then pi. Alright, so there we have the volume of the cylinder in terms of x. Now, we know that the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Volume of sphere 4/3 pi times radius cubed. And the radius of the sphere is r, but if they're going to melt down this cylinder and form a sphere, the volume of the cylinder is going to be 36x cubed pi, and that's going to be equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. Alright, so I'm going to use a bit of space underneath because I don't need anything else from before. I've got everything that I need here in this one line. I need to now work this out and rearrange it so that r is on its own. And there's r right now. I've got r cubed. Both sides have pi, so I could divide both sides by pi, and the pi's would disappear. So I'm going to end up with 36x cubed is equal to 4/3 r cubed. I could get rid of that 3 by timesing by 3. So times by 3. So what will I get? 36 times by 3 is 108. X cubed is equal to 4r cubed. And if I divide by 4, so 108 divided by 4, half it and then half it again, so that's 52. Half that is 27. X cubed is equal to r cubed. Now I'm going to just swap things around. I'm going to have r cubed is equal to 27x cubed. Okay, let's just move this. And okay, so in order to get rid of the cube, I need to cube root both sides. So if I cube root r cubed and I cube root 27x cubed, I am going to get Cube root of r cubed is r. Cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of x cubed is x. So here is my answer. R is equal to 3x. And remember at the beginning I said that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to get R on its own. I wanted to work something out. And that is the answer. And although there's a lot here, right, 3 marks, I wish they were giving more for that. But yep, that's how much you get for it. Okay, study this hard. Those of you aiming for an A or an A star, make sure you know how to do it.